Just a few seconds, I'm going to show you how to unlock something that's very unique about your singing voice. There's 4 different main singing voices: soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. And I'm going to show you how very quickly, using this really cool app, you're going to be able to discover which one you are, even if you've never sang before. This is an app called On Pitch. I'm going to unpause it here, and I'm going to notice how every single note that I'm even speaking, it's telling me what pitch it's on. So whenever I slide my voice, I'm going to be able to start on my lowest sound, go up to my highest sound, and find where my full range is as a singer. Ooh. I'm going to press pause, and I'm going to look down here at the bottom. It's going to give me a number and a letter, as well as at the top. You're going to go to the link below, and you're going to find the paperwork that's going to show you which one of these 4 voices your unique voice fits into. Stay tuned, and I'll give you another quick tip on how to discover your unique voice.